if you're using just timesheets, you'll probably want to look at project profitability and indeed client profitability. If you're an administrator or company manager, in terms of the perspectives available in just timesheets, you'll have access to this report, all client and project KPIs. If you're a project manager, you would have the equivalent report here, my project's client project KPIs. Let's run that report, all client project KPIs. I'll make no selections here. I'll simply run it to include all data in the system. Now, what does this show? First of all, summarized by client, we see the total number of days worked for that client. The system then shows what the fees would be at default values. Default values are regarded as the standard values by employee grade. You may have set up special fee rates by client and grade, or project and grade, or task and grade, in which case you would see actual calculated fees here. For the first client, there are no special fees, so the variance is 0. In the second case, you have discounted slightly from your standard fees, which gives you a provisional daily rate here. Systems also picked up the cost value from each employee record and calculated the cost for this project and therefore a margin. That's by client. To look at it by project, additionally, just expand it here and you see the same data. Another report using similar data shows these values by month. So if I run it now, we'll see by each month the total fees, the variances, the rates, the costs, and effectively margin by month. And there's a useful graph at the bottom to show you fees and margins, how they're fluctuating month by month. So that's KPI reporting by client and project.